All right, I know you guys always need new car mats, truck mats, 4x4s, Jeep, whatever you got, truck. Oedro. Let's hope I got that right. Oedro. The reason I'm saying it that way is because I searched this online and nobody out there says this name exactly the same. So Oedro. That's how Oedro. You tell me down in the description, William, you're saying it wrong. It's this. But I'm showing it to you right there before I open the box up so you can see. They reached out to me and they said, hey, we have some mats for you. We'd like you to give them a try. Give us your honest opinion about them. I said, you know what? My Jeep's got mats that are wore out. That vehicle has been used a lot, and you send me a set, I'll use them in my Jeep. So let's get them unboxed. Let's show you what we got. All right, we got them unboxed. I've taken them out of the box. I felt the texture. You know, believe it or not, they feel very thick to the touch. You can kind of see, you know, they're just not flapping in the wind and falling apart. They do have their logo right there. It does have a little sticker over it I can peel off. See if we can get that off. But yeah, get that off there. You get a better idea of it. It does have the little clip, so it'll clip right down in the Jeep for me. You know, the reason you want these is just easy. We're at the beach now, and all of our vehicles get so much sand and stuff in them. I wanted something that would be easy to get the sand out, and the way that sets up high enough, everything's going to stay right where it's supposed to. Both of them look pretty much the same. The material feels like every other mat out there. I have bought those cheap ones at Walmart like everybody else out there for a car that I was fixing up, and you could just, they were paper thin. Nothing worked very good. I can't get that sticker off with one hand, but you're not going to have that problem with these. So I definitely like the mats. The back one's the full cover. It even covers the housing right there. It'll go over top of that, so you don't have to worry about that. So anybody climbing in and out of there, it should keep the sand where it's supposed to. But I wanted to show you that and show you the quality of them. So if you're looking for a set of mats, these are what I'm going to be using from now on. See if they actually fit and what my total feeling on the fit and finish of these mats are. So let's get them put in this Jeep. This is a 2021 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Bought this vehicle brand new in 2021. It's got 128,000 miles on it, and I'm pretty sure the mats that are in it, let's just see. Yep, they're the original Jeep mats with 128,000 miles on them, and they were rubber. They don't feel nearly as durable as the ones that we just got shipped to us. And if you look real close, there's a hole going all the way through them. So yes, it's time for them to go bye-bye. Let's get them out of here. And in this one, it had two little separate ones like that. So it didn't have this full over the whole thing. We'll pull the seats up and we'll get a better look at that when we put that back there. But I think these are going to do a lot better job. They just seem to be more premium, and they have a lot more coverage. These did click, and you can see the passenger one still looks like new, but the rest of them not so good. So let's get them put in here and show you what we got. And as you can see, they come all the way up, so anything that falls in here, it's going to go right into it. It's going to get caught in there. And then it comes across, and yes, it is a perfect fit. Very, very impressed. So much better than the original Jeep ones that came with it. And as you can see, they clipped right in with the original clips like they're supposed to. They come up a lot farther, so they're going to catch all the dirt when you first step in the vehicle. This is where you get all that sand from the beach and everything right there. Yes, I do like the fit. I think they did an awesome job with them. Let's go check the other side out. We're at the local car wash, so I can get rid of those old mats. And yes, looks really, really nice in there. And the same thing up here. Same thing. When you're going in, it gets that sand, it's going to catch it. It actually went up a lot farther up into here. So I like that because you can see where I've stayed in this, where the other one never covered any of that. So That's a big difference. Well, it was a perfect day. I got the Jeep all washed. I got the new mats installed here. I got a video done. I think they're a great product. They fit better than the original ones that came from Jeep. The rubber is thicker than the original ones that came from Jeep. The other ones made it 128,000 miles, so we're gonna see if these will make 128,000 miles. But I can already see now that when we go to the beach, because we spend a lot of time at the beach, all the sand that we track in, even when we try not to do it, it still gets in there. The other mats, we're letting it fall in between. It was turning into a mess. Plus this protects the little kick pad over here where your foot rests so much better. So that's usually where you put that foot, and then all that sand falls off your shoes. It's gonna catch that, it's gonna catch it right into the mat. So I'm impressed, because a lot of aftermarket things that I buy, they just don't fit right, or you got to trim them or do certain things, or they'll work but they don't click into the little hooks that they have from the manufacturer. These clicked in perfect. The back mat is so much better than what came with the original one. It fits so much nicer. It's a so much better coverage. I'm super happy. So thank you for sending us this product. Remember, we don't get paid for this review. We just get the product for free, but we needed them. And when they reached out, I'm like, yes, if you got them for this Jeep, I'll give you a review on what I think of them, and we'll put it out there for you. So if you're looking for some mats, guys, you want to save some money and get some mats that'll actually cover everything like they're supposed to, check them out. They'll be down in the description. Robin has everything down there. Great product that I can see. We'll keep using them for a long time to come. And how do we end these videos? Always